How to recover or reset Snapchat password. So if you want to recover or reset your password, then first of all open up your Snapchat and go to the login page, and now you have to enter your username or your email, and on the next step you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you can tap on forgot your password, and then you have to choose how you want to reset your password. You can either choose through your phone or through your email. So I'll be choosing through email, and then it will take you to reset password page, and now you have to enter your email here again, and after entering your email tap on submit. Now you have to check your inbox on your mail, so open up your Gmail, and then you will have a Snapchat password reset mail on your mail account. So to reset your password for Snapchat, you have to click on the following link, and from here you can change your password. To change your password, you have to enter a new password, and then you have to confirm that password again, and after entering the new password you can tap on save, and that's it. That's how you change, reset or recover your password on Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.